welcome to 2012 Candy Party! Let's just pretend that there's so many people here in front of us. Straight from Baguio, we have our guest speaker from Baguio to give us words of wisdom and words of encouragement and words or whatever words. Yeah. So, come on. Hindi mo nalalaman si Tina po ay dating sales lady. Uy, wala pa kayo stable na white kasi hindi ito pang event, pang disco itong lights na ito. Ano ba naman yan?
Kuya, nakakahiya kayo ha?
Ano ba yan? Kayo na tayo na nga lang dalawa.
Sige.
Ako pala mga tingnan mo din.
Please put yourselves in the presence of the Lord.
Okay, Kim.
Bakit ay ganon?
Comedy bar?
Ano na yan? Nakakaroon?
Silent prayer to, hindi ko comedy bar ha.
Sorry.
Okay.
Okay.
Teka lang, ganyan yung ilaw pang disco tapos prayer.
Dear God. Oy,
Ay, this is it guys!
Again na! Let us put ourselves in the holy presence of the Lord.
Hindi ka na. So, pago. Take 2 guys. Paul, take 2. Ay, hindi tayo. Pasok na po. Bilis mag-umpisa na po.
Nagdala nila po.
Huwag po kayo mag-alala. Wala pong ticket dito. Pasok na po.
Gangnam Style.
Very good music! You're doing it right. One, two, six!
Nabidyo mo yung kanina?
Gangnam Style. Yeah.
Gangnam Style.
Tiger from Shan.
Is that the last?
Shan.
Last name sa kids?
For you.
Alright, so we have intermission. Kumama naman ito eh, kumakabote eh. Alright, we have intermission number from Raina, sino ba yun? Uy, sino ba yun?
Intermission number